Do you think your body simply rests while you sleep? The truth is, an amazing process begins inside you every night. Even while you sleep, your brain stays busy, organizing information and preparing your body for tomorrow. Your body may look still, but deep inside, important systems can continue working all night long. Let's travel inside the body and discover what really happens during healthy sleep. First, the brain starts processing memories, sorting important information from the day. Billions of neurons communicate continuously, strengthening connections that help you learn and remember. Your brain organizes experiences and stores memories, making learning more effective. Meanwhile, your heart slows down slightly, helping the body conserve energy and recover. Blood continues delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell that needs repair. During sleep, muscle fibers repair themselves and recover from daily wear and tear. Growth hormone is released, supporting healing, recovery, and healthy tissue growth. Millions of cells repair and renew themselves, helping your body stay healthy and strong. By morning, your body has produced fresh energy to power a new day. You wake up refreshed, focused, and ready to perform at your best. Sleep is your body's natural repair system. Like, subscribe, and follow Health Secrets Explained for more.